Welcome to Cooking with Katerina. You know, if you live in northeastern Ohio or any other state that gets a lot of snow, it really doesn't matter what season it is, you will see us out there grilling. So today I'm going to show you a grilled chicken recipe with a very easy chicken marinade. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this easy chicken marinade. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and I'm using fresh lemon, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Now in the summer I use fresh rosemary and probably chop up about 2 teaspoons. You always want a little bit more when it's fresh. You'll also need a container to mix your marinade in, so get something with a lid on it. And I'm using 3 chicken breasts today, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So let's get started making the marinade. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take all these ingredients and put them in our containers. So let me just pour in the olive oil, the lemon juice, the lime juice, the balsamic vinegar, and then our seasonings, salt and pepper, garlic, granulated garlic and onion powder, and the rosemary. We'll just stick that all in there, and we'll give it a nice shake, and it will be ready to go over our chicken breasts. There we go. That's the easiest way. You can do this in a bowl too and then just use a fork or a spoon to mix it, but this is much easier. So we'll open this up, whoops, and pour it over the chicken breast. And what we want to do is let this marinate on one side for 30 minutes, and then we're going to flip it and let it marinate another 30 minutes. Now, it only takes an hour to marinate, and when you get about close to time to cook it, like about 45 minutes into the marinade, you want to put on your grill and make it sure that it's nice and hot. So I'll see you back here when it's time to put it on the grill. I'm just going to cover this up now and let it marinate. Okay, we let the chicken breast marinate on the counter for an hour. We flipped it at 30 minutes. You always want to let your meat warm up before you cook it, either on the grill or in a pan on the stove, because that way it will cook more evenly. So we are ready now to put it on the grill. We'll just open it up here. And as you can see, these chicken breasts are ready to go. And I'm going to put them this side down first. So that sizzle, you know your grill is ready. Here, and we're going to cover it up, put our lid down on our grill, and we're going to let it cook for 6 minutes, and then we're going to check to see how it is. It'll start to caramelize with the balsamic vinegar on it. It's going to get a beautiful color. and it should go to 8 minutes, and then we'll flip it. But we'll check it at 6 minutes just to see how we're doing here. See you then. Okay, it's been 6 minutes, or just about 6 minutes. There we go. And I'm going to check them. And they need just a little bit more, so we're almost there. I don't know if you can see that. So we'll let them go for another 2 more minutes. And I'll go in and wash the tongs, and we'll be back out. Okay, it's been a total of 8 minutes, and I think we're ready to flip these. There we go. Now again, the timing is going to depend on how hot your grill is. As it is with your stove, you know how your grill and your stove work. So my best suggestion is that you have a meat thermometer, because you want the internal temperature to be 160 to 165 degrees, and then you'll know it's cooked. So we're going to let these cook for 8 minutes on this side, and we'll give it a check here and check the internal temperature, and we should be good to go. Okay, we checked it, and it needed a little extra time. Again, it'll depend on your grill and how thick your chicken breasts are. So now these are ready to come off. We'll take them off, and we're going to cover them in foil for about 10 minutes. We're going to let them rest so those juices can go all through the chicken breast, and then we're going to slice it and get it ready to serve. Well, we let the chicken rest for 10 minutes, and then I began to cut it. And as you can see, I have some of it already plated. And how I cut the chicken for this particular one, because you can use this chicken for so many different things, I slice it on an angle. That way, if you'd like to put some chicken on a salad and have a chicken salad, you can do that. You can mix this with rice and some vegetables. You can also put it in with pasta. You don't even have to serve it just like it is, but it is delicious. So I'm going to finish cutting it, and then we'll taste. Now my favorite part, time to taste. Oh my goodness. This is a party in your mouth. So moist. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way you'll get notified when my latest videos come out. And if you would like and share with your family and friends, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, check out the other videos that will appear on the screen. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. Keep on cooking.